Clairemont Elementary School Principal Dr. Grenez Scott brought the idea for a Saturday Math Academy to the school leadership team as one way to decrease the math achievement gap among students. Teachers then identified students who had the potential to do better on the state standardized tests and invited them to participate in the program. Using space at Decatur's Allen Wilson Terrace Community Center, the Math Academy took place over 5 Saturday mornings in February and March 2009. 2 groups of Clairemont's 2nd and 3rd graders rotated through 4 centers: the Study Island, a computer lab with information correlated to the standardized tests, math exercises set to music, math games, and study buddies, individualized math tutoring for each student in the program.
The real point of the Math Academy is to help these kids that really already know how to do the math but need practice on the wording of questions and being comfortable and familiar with the math so they don't have to think about it.
Clairemont school leadership team member Rob Pope coordinated the program, saying he knew this was a job for him when the idea was first discussed.
We do a lot of planning on the SLT, and I like planning, and I know it's important, but I have to admit I'm more comfortable with doing and organizing and getting things going. And this was the first opportunity to really do that with the SLT. So I held my hand up very early in the beginning and said, I'm on board and I want to get this going and see what we can do.
Pope solicited volunteers for the program from Clairemont parents and staff, and the response, he says, was terrific.
We have had professional engineers and scientists and teachers and moms and dads that work in offices as accountants. Homemakers, both male and female, have been here and donated their time, and it's just been phenomenal to watch it happen.
The students were given a pre-test before they started the program and will be tested again soon to measure what they have learned. Rob Pope says parent volunteers have already noticed an improvement in many of the students' math skills.
The parents that have worked with the kids one-on-one, going through the test questions and doing the online programs, they have noticed the kids are much more comfortable with the wording of the tests, understanding how problems are laid out, how to eliminate answers, just kind of test-taking techniques. And they're just more comfortable with math in general.
Clairemont parent Tanya Rodriguez participated in the Math Academy with her 2nd grader, Mia.
I volunteered every Saturday and I did the music math party. And it goes through different operations with math, counting money, telling time, counting by 2s, 5s, and 10s, and set with music. And so we get to move and learn math at the same time.
So what did some of Clairemont's 3rd graders think of their Saturday math experience?
The reason why I like coming to Math Academy is because I like doing study buddies and doing the math games on the computer.
I got better at subtracting, no, not subtracting, but fractions and multiplication, and it helped me. It helped me with bigger numbers to multiply and divide.
They helped me with my timetables, multiplication, division, and subtracting.
At first, my daughter Mia was not excited about it, and then the next time we came, she had a blast, and she was looking forward to it every week. They made it fun. The one-on-one time made such an impact on the kids who really needed special attention to really have the time taken to get to it. And overall, it was a tremendous success, more than we imagined.
The kids have gotten a lot out of it, but also our adult community has, I believe, also gotten a great deal out of this program.
On the last Saturday of this year's Math Academy, parents, students, and teachers gathered to celebrate their collective and individual successes. Rob Pope says one unexpected outcome of the Saturday Math Academy has been the way the program has brought the Clairemont school community closer together.
We're here in a place that it's easy for them to get to in this community center, and then we have a lot of parents who might not interact with these children on a daily basis, who are very busy during the week, who work full-time jobs, but they're able to give up a few hours on a Saturday pretty easily.
You get to develop relationships with the families, you get to know them, and you want to make the families feel a part of the school community. And so engaging them and getting to know the families more personally and getting to know what their needs are with school and how they feel about school and any questions or needs that they have, you can address them more easily because you know them.
Rob Pope says Clairemont Elementary School will offer its Math Academy again next year to even more students, adding he hopes other Decatur City schools will implement the Clairemont Math Academy model. This is Decatur Ed TV.